Hello guys, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So today's our topic about operations on sets, and before this we have produced videos on sets, introduction of sets, and types of description, as well as we have discussed types of sets. In today videos, in today video we will discuss operation on sets. So here in the chart, there are six different types of operation, which is union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, complement, and Cartesian product. So union, this is symbol for union, and meaning of it is A union B, element in A or B, and this is example. So this is intersection, and read as intersection B, element common to both A and B, and this is a given example. And this is called difference, or this is also called backslash, which is used in sets for difference. So A difference B is equal to element in A but not in B, and this is the example. And this is a symmetric difference. Symbol is this or this, and read as A symmetric difference is equal to A minus B union B minus A, and this is given example. This is called A complement. So A complement is equal to element in universal set, not in A. So which is equal to U minus A, you can say U minus A, and this is the example of A complement. And this is a Cartesian product, which is equal to A product B is equal to set of ordered pairs A and B, and this is given example. But in today video, we will discuss three operations, that is union, intersection, difference. And the remaining three operations, we will discuss this in next video. So to understand all these three operations of today's topic, please stay with us. So operations on sets, union of two sets. Consider two sets A and B. The union of set A and set B is a set which consists of all the elements belonging to set A or set B or both. Union is denoted by the symbol U. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, then find A union B. So A union B. So first of all, we will write A. This is A union and this is B. Now we will make a new set which will equal to A union B, and we will write all the elements which are present either in set A or B. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 because all these elements either present in A or present in B. Also please remember that 5 is included in set A as well as in set B. So if there is a number or there is a member or there is an element which is present in both set A and B, so we will write it only one time like this. So this is equal to A union B. The next one is intersection of two sets. So consider two sets A and B. The intersection of set A and set B is a set which consists of the common members present in both sets A and B. Intersection is denoted by symbol this. For example, if A is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 3, 5, 6, 7, then find A intersection B. So in solution, we will write A intersection B. So first we will write set A, which is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8, and then we will write symbol of intersection, and then we will write set B. So now we will find out the common elements which are present both in set A and set B. So if we look over here, 3 is present in both. So 3, 4 is here but not here. It is eliminated. 6 here as well as here. So 6 included. 8 here but not here, and 7 here but not here. So 3 and 6 are the two elements which are present in both set A and B, and 3 and 6 is the intersection of A and B by definition, as we read over here. So this is the definition of A intersection B, or an intersection set is a set in which we write the common elements of two sets. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets A and B, denoted as A difference B, is a set which contains all those members of A which are not in B. It is also denoted as A difference B. This symbol is backslash symbol. So in set it is called A difference B. This is used for difference. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, then find A difference B and B difference A. So for A difference B, first we will write set A, which is equal to this. Then we will write the sign of difference, and then we will write set B. So A difference B. So now we will minus the element of B from set A. So 2 over here. So eliminate this 2. Then 4, and 4 is here. So eliminate 4. And 6, but 6 is not over here. So we will eliminate 2 and 4 from this set, which will become 1, 3 and 5. So A difference B is equal to 1, 3, 5. So this is A difference B. Also B difference A. So first of all we will write set B, then difference, then set A. So now we will eliminate these elements or members from set A. So 1 is not here. 2, so we will eliminate 2. 3 is here but not here. So 4 is here and 4 is here. So eliminate 4. And 5 is here but not here. So it means we will eliminate 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So the remaining element is 6. So B minus A is equal to 6, which is the difference B minus A, required difference. So this was all for today. Please like our video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any kind of question regarding sets, so you can write in comments. Thank you so much.